So hi guys, myself Jay Vivek Amrutkar, and today I'm here to teach, to share some knowledge which I am possessing with me regarding chemistry topic. So shall we start? Come here. So first topic we will subtopic actually. First topic is aldehydes and ketones. In that subtopic, the most important and the easiest ones we can say reduction reaction. In that reduction, the most easy and frequently not compulsory asked question in JEE as well as in CET exam as well as in it also Clemmensen reduction. So as now exam is near, so all of you might be knowing, might not, you should know Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. So in your mind recall what's the reagent required for Clemmensen reduction. So if you don't know, see here. It is zinc amalgam plus HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, and we need to heat it. So now observe. HCl is an acid. So the reagent in Clemmensen reaction is an acidic reagent. It's the most important. The questions can be twisted, and their negative markings can't be affordable in exam. Whatever mistakes you want to do, you can do it in your class test or mock test, as will be going now. So now come here. So we will first take the basic example. So before that, one time by heart in your mind, because we are going to see the short tricks and techniques which will be useful in your exam. Means for direct solving, we are just we will be related just to the answer, not to the whole mechanism. Yeah, I know that, but right now at the time point, by considering the point of view of exam, that doesn't matter at all. So only short tricks. You will get answer, don't worry. And of course, at the revision time in classes also they are teaching like this only. So now come here. So Clemmensen reduction in the topic reduction reaction in the of the main topic aldehydes and ketones for JEE CET as well as NEET. So now the question which I am going to take it is of JEE mains and little bit advanced level. In NEET also they can ask. In CET not. In CET the basic Clemmensen reduction they will come. So now what time pass होगा? So now come here. ठीक है second. देखो zinc amalgam plus HCl plus heat. So now I'm taking the one classic example. Classic. You will love it. What it is? Benzene. What is the IUPAC name of this? ये नहीं आया तो भाई you need to think. It's here. It's aceto. Wait a minute. Next question I will already write in the board because it is taking too much time. I am just writing it because you should know that I am not just copying and I am knowing to teach. I am knowing that concept. So OH. It is Clemmensen reduction. No? In exam they will be giving this zinc amalgam HCl plus heat. So now come here. What does Clemmensen reduction is used for? Is useful for? See now. First you recall your mind and tell to camera itself that what it basically converts. What into what? So now come. It converts C double bond O into CH2. This double bond O is converted into alkanes. So this reduction reactions, first topic, two alkanes we are teaching, two alkanes. Don't sleep. See, this 15 minutes if you utilize, 15 or 10 minutes, if you utilize properly, these two reactions, any question in JEE CET or NEET, especially in JEE, of the twisted level, you will directly solve. So come here. So basically, Clemmensen reduction converts C double bond O into CH2. Ketone is converted into alkane. Say, इजी वन डबल बॉन्ड ओ को हटा देने का, H2 लगा देने का, समझ ले एवढं. सुना कम. So 95% of the public who don't know the concept or who is not made for JEE will convert this C double bond to, see now here C double bond O is there, it will convert into CH2. We'll just convert this C double bond into CH2 and they will write like this answer. CH2 CH3, and they will keep this ring with this hexane ring with OH as it is. It is wrong. This option will be there, of course. See, A option will be that only, and most of the people will take that by in excitement as exam pressure is there, but that's not the answer. Now see, the main and the epic example as well as the epic concept is that Clemmensen reduction is containing an acidic reagent in it, and OH is an acid sensitive compound. Now acid sensitive compound itna to aate rahega, but then also, now what is meant by acid sensitive compound? Acid sensitive compound means the compound which contains some basic part in it. Means now मतलब क्या, अब बेस रहेगा तो उसके साथ कोई ना कोई एसिड तो रिएक्ट करेगा ही. सो here acid is there, HCl, hydrochloric acid. This will react with this and we will get, means OH will get protonated. Get to understand. This one detail we are not going to go as exam is there, and I am just telling you short tricks. Mechanism I will tell, but not now, afterwards. In 15 minutes what can I do? See, H2O plus will get out as in the form of water, and instead of that we adjust with my handwriting. Now what will come here? This from here H plus Cl minus, H plus will come here and we will get H2O plus, and that Cl minus will get attached to it. See, this is the answer. अलग है ना, twisted answer is there. Twisted answer is there, no? Yeah. So see now, this actually we should have got this product. We are getting this product. So this is actually an undesirable product which we haven't mentioned as our answer. But this is the answer, and this is the magic of JEE NEET. CET also. CET in this CET only till here it will come. This they won't ask. Otherwise, if this ring is also, no, this ring they won't ask for actually. Then also in worst condition, if this ring is there, so here some basic sensitive compound will be there. Now what is going to basic sensitive? Basic sensitive compound means ulta hai. Basic sensitive means it will contain some acidic part in it. So acid and acid won't react with each other. Is it clear? It should be clear. देखो time pass कर मत देखो. I am knowing, that's why I am teaching. ये आना चाहिए. At the end of this lecture, this whole two topics should get fit in your mind. And now see, whenever in exam Clemens, see, mixed question will come directly. This time of question won't come. It can come, but actually mixed questions are coming. In advanced questions you might have seen. So whenever Clemens reduction will come, that time this example you recall in your mind, so that you won't make mistake. See, everyone knows this. पूरा जनता को ही आता है, but this very few knows. The one who have joined nice class or one who are knowing the real concept, epic concept. What epic concept? So this is the answer. Once again, should I tell? See, Clemens reduction, we are converting ketones, aldehydes or ketones into alkanes. It basically converts C double bond into CH2. The reagent uses zinc amalgam plus HCl plus heat. Zinc amalgam plus HCl plus heat. The example, see, Clemens reduction, we are converting this. Now here that concept also is that if you are taking 2 moles, but that type of options we will see that questions. अभी बोलो ना, अभी एक ही यहाँ पे मोल यूज किया तो only this should convert, but that type of in options they will adjust that. अगर वैसा रहेगा तो फिर वैसा ऑप्शन बनाएंगे और फिर that only one will see. If you are telling that only this will convert and if your one mole is used, now I have actually nothing. I haven't mentioned anything. So that time this option will then they won't touch this. But basically that type of question they will not ask in JEE mains. But you be careful. ये दिमाग दिया ना खुला रखने का, ये सबको दिया जाता है, सिर्फ खुला रखने का. एग्जाम विल कम 4 बार इस बार, पर तो भी चांस एक बार मिलेगा. सी आई वुड हैव क्रैक IIT, बट आता भी था, अभी इतना अच्छा पढ़ रहा तो आता ही है, बट ड्यू टू सम मिस्टेक्स एंड आई डिडंट क्लियर लेट इट बी. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आईआईटी में जाके ही जिंदगी होती है भाई बोलते हैं. But then also I will be successful. That much confidence I am having. You should also be having, and you will give it. You will give it to me. ज़्यादा बोर नहीं होना ना. अभी देखो ये कंसेप्ट हो गया. अभी फर्स्ट लेक्चर इसलिए बहुत स्लो जा रहा हूँ. आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई विल बी फास्ट. अभी वो जरा ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है फर्स्ट वीडियो इसलिए वो बोर्ड एंड ऑल. आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल डू बाय दैट और एडवांस मेथड बाय पीपीटी एंड ऑल बाय राइटिंग दैट. Okay. So now come here. Cleveland's introduction is this example clear? Is this example clear? Is this example clear? It should be clear. Now come here. Now second example. So now second reaction. Second इसका वही है वो. The brother of Clemenceau reduction, that is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. What type of reagent is used in it? So see now here. Hydrazine. What is meant by hydrazine? The reagent used in Wolff-Kishner reduction is hydrazine, that is NH2NH2 plus alcoholic KOH. See now here. Bracket glycol or glycol can also be used. Glycol. In NCERT they have mentioned it as glycol. In NCERT they have mentioned glycol also. So this or this. So अभी एग्जाम में ट्विस्ट करने के लिए glycol आ सकता है. And then what is there? और हीट इज हीट यहाँ पे भी हीट है. दोनों में हीट है. ओके. So Wolff-Kishner reduction. See the Wolff-Kishner reduction uses also just to convert C double bond O into CH2 aldehyde into alkane. Aldehyde ketone into alkane or aldehyde into alkane. See now come here. Again one epic example. हाँ now देखो भाई भाई है ना. Opposite है. Now in the here acidic reagent was used. Now here basic reagent will be used. See now the example. सेम अभी कुछ फिश करता हूँ. ये ना ये सामना वन सा रेफरेंस बुक है. See, there is no compulsion that you should refer any reference book only. Now time is not there, so only past year questions are enough. Enough means enough for general means and as well as for advance also. IUPAC से आता है ना. This is acetophenone till here. It is acetophenone. Same example. So now I am here. So I'm using a Cl. Wolff-Kishner reduction reagent is used, that is hydrazine plus alcoholic KOH or glycol which is mentioned in NCERT plus heat. Come here. Now what see ये तो सब आता है पूरे पब्लिक को आता है that CH2 CH3 that C double bond will get converted into CH2. This one. Now here. See handwriting is not good. No, बहुत खराब है. बहुत भावनाएं समझिए. मतलब शिकाल तर वाचाल. अरे देखो ये लग गया पे. So now what should I write here? It is containing some basic compound in it. And what now Cl is? See that in order to learn acid sensitive and basic sensitive compounds, you need to recall that GOC wall part and acidity, acidic nature, acidic strength, basic strength. The whole table is there. ये तो आता ही रहेगा ना. Revise it. So now see, come here. Wolff-Kishner reduction basic reagent it is containing, and here Cl is there. So now if we are using Wolff-Kishner reduction reagent, so this now Cl is a basic sensitive compound. Basic sensitive means ulta. It is containing some acidic part in it. So now if it is containing some acidic part, so it will react with the basic part of this reagent, that is alcoholic KOH. So HCl निकल जाएगा, and here we will get double bond. वो है ना एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन में दैट वो उतना आता है बात समझा ना. HCl will get an here positive sign, then this hydrogen will come here and it will make a double bond here in order to fulfill its vacancy. So now see. So now if this sum, so now see exam these two sums आपको समझ आया. So now if in exam this sum they will if they given उसको अलग रहेगा कौन सा group and here if you are using Wolff-Kishner reduction. So now what will the product? So now see if you are using a Wolff-Kishner reagent basic, so this OH will be as it is and we will get the product as ये तो सब में कन्वर्ट होगा C double bond into CH2 and we will get your OH as it is. So this is our preferred product. We need this, but we are actually getting this by using that Clemmensen reduction. But if we are using Wolff-Kishner reduction, then we will get this product. So in exam in advance, this type of question can come that which method is preferred in order to get a desirable product. So this is the method. Yeah. So here we need to use this Wolff-Kishner. दोनों भाई भाई है Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner. So now same here. If you are in this sum you are using Clemmensen reagent, ये पहले वाला का आंसर, if you are using this I am saying दोनों एक साथ नहीं हो सकता. Then our answer will be first part as it is. ये तो बहुत गंदा हैंडलिंग आ रहा है. बस तो खाने है. Here we will get Cl as it is. So here this is our desirable product. Is it clear? See now. Last and final revision. Main topic early hydrogen ketones in that सब topic reduction उसके भी नीचे आता है भी reduction that conversion of early hydrogen ketones into alkanes in that first Clemmensen second Wolff-Kishner reduction दोनों भाई भाई एक Clemmensen contains acidic reagent in it that is what zinc amalgam plus HCl plus and Wolff-Kishner reagent uses used is basic one that is hydrogen that is NH2 plus alcoholic KOH और glycol which is mentioned in NCERT plus heat. दोनों में heat compulsory है. These both are classic examples. class है इसमें ये दोनों बाहर कर दो recall कर दो. Whenever in exam I am just telling one trigger that in exam if Clemmensen reduction Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner reduction any type of sum came then first you recall both this example. ये तो सबको आता है ये this you need to compulsory do and this recall this example in your mind then you will not make mistake. You will recall that something twisted some can be there. It's not compulsory that it will always be there. But if came then we should not. देखो आते हुए भी नहीं इसमें कुछ हार्ड है क्या ये कुछ नहीं. Organic is a scoring part. So see in chemistry I will in my channel I will take whole chemistry but right now I am just focusing on organic because organic is low. So that's why बहुत easy मजा आता है. See in out of 25 questions 7-8 questions are from organic. उसमें biomolecular polymer का वो बाहर करना पड़ेगा अच्छे से. That also I will take tricks to how to remember and second one और YouTube पे बहुत सारे चैनल्स है. ये ऐसा तुम्हारे एज का हो इसलिए तुम्हारे एज का नहीं हो तुमसे 1 साल बड़ा हो इसलिए फिर देखो समझ में आएगा. तो सीधा ओके दोनों हो गया रिकॉल रिवीजन भी हो गया. सो दिस टू टॉपिक इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर JEE एज वेल एज नीट. सीटी में ये इतना ही आए पूछेंगे और रिएजेंट का नाम पूछेंगे. ओके सो इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो आपको अगर आपको समझा तो ही लाइक करो. सो बाय. Please subscribe.